On 7th July 2025, two teenage girls climbed on top of a moving New York subway for a sick social media trend. Little did they know that this is going to be their last ride. The police found them unconscious a few stops ahead in Brooklyn just after 3 a.m. and were pronounced dead on the spot. They were attempting the latest TikTok trend called subway surfing. While shocking, the reality is that this is no longer surprising, no longer old news, no longer a fictional story. It's part of the latest dangerous trend that young people have been participating in.
A warning tonight about the deadly dangers of so-called subway surfing in New York City. Yesterday, an 11-year-old boy died.
But what TikTok is about to do now might exponentially increase such incidents in the coming days. And parents, teachers, even lawmakers are completely unprepared for what's about to come. Now, before we get to the why, let's understand what exactly has happened. On 21st of August, the news broke. TikTok is restructuring its trust and safety division, and hundreds of roles in the UK are now being discontinued. Most of these positions are content moderators, the people who review videos that are flagged for breaking TikTok's content rules. According to report, this department employs 300 people. A significant portion of them will now be at risk. TikTok's idea of this move is to centralize the teams across different countries. That means workers in the UK could now lose their job unless they relocate, which most won't be able to do. But what makes these moves alarming is that these jobs are not just being cut off, they are heavily being replaced by AI. According to TikTok, more than 85% of all content removals on the platform are already handled by AI automation. That means algorithms, not humans, are catching and deleting videos before most of us ever see them. But what happens when a video that technically follows the rules but is still deeply harmful gets ignored by the algorithm? In September 2022, the sleepy chicken trend went viral. It had been around for many years but suddenly became popular on TikTok platform. The recipe involved boiling chicken in the sickly green cough syrup and consuming the finished product, a dangerous practice that can produce toxic fumes. FDA had to issue a health warning to stop the practice, and TikTok had major backlash as it was unable to stop the viral trend. If an AI had to moderate this, how would it know the difference between this and a normal cooking recipe? TikTok isn't wrong. Automation has come a long way. Today, machine learning systems can analyze videos at lightning speed, detecting hate speech, dangerous challenges, or even explicit content, long before a human moderator would even open the file. But here's the catch. AI doesn't understand nuance. A system might block a breastfeeding video as nudity while letting violent content slip by because it doesn't match known patterns. Algorithms may be fast, but they can also be biased, inaccurate, and easily manipulated. Let's understand this with an example. In 2021, TikTok had Milk Crate Challenge, where users stock up milk crates to climb on them, leading to falls, injuries, and physical damage. US hospitals reported spikes in emergency visits. TikTok was heavily criticized that they acted very late in stopping the trend. Now, if such a video is moderated without a human, how would an AI differentiate these faults from funny bloopers or videos? What's even worse is that instead of having a global team, TikTok is centralizing its teams in Lisbon and Dublin. So the only humans in the loop will be based in just 2 cities. We understand that major cities are becoming heavy on taxes and high employment cost. The move to Lisbon and Dublin is targeted for lower cost, strong multilingual workforce, and favorable tax structure. But again, the only few humans, if located in just 2 cities and AI doing most of the moderation work, what happens to the disinformation circulated globally on TikTok platform? How would a couple of employees located in just 2 cities understand the global challenges in other countries? TikTok has faced consistent criticism from regulators over spreading misinformation to young users. It was found to have several videos being circulated over COVID vaccine and being reviewed by kids as young as 9 years. In another incident, users were found to be fed misleading election news across many countries. Various content agencies criticized TikTok to the extent that they had to review their content policy and publish an explanation on how they plan to combat misinformation and misleading content. And here's the twist. This comes right as the UK's Online Safety Act is going into effect. That law demands stronger protection against harmful or illegal content, with penalties as high as £18 million, or 10% of a company's global turnover. So the stakes are higher than ever, both for the company and the content safety. And yet, at this critical moment, TikTok is cutting human moderators. It raises the question, can AI really step up where humans are being cut back, especially when the legal and safety risks have never been higher? So what does this mean for average TikTok user? In the short term, you might not notice much. Videos will keep rolling, trends will keep trending, and the algorithm will still serve you clips that it thinks you will like. But behind the scenes, the system that protects you from harmful content is changing. With fewer human moderators, the chances are increased that harmful videos slip through the cracks, or even an innocent content gets unfairly tagged. TikTok is especially popular with young users and teenagers. The margin for error is razor thin. One missed harmful video could have serious real-world consequences. TikTok's decision to cut back hundreds of UK moderation jobs is more than just a cost-cutting measure. It's a teaser on what's about to happen to the future of technology. A future where AI replaces human judgment, efficiency replaces empathy, and companies gamble with the safety of their users. For the moderators losing their jobs, it's a painful blow. For TikTok's leadership, it's a strategic move. But for society, it's a gamble that we can't afford to ignore. Because moderation isn't about taking down bad videos. It's about shaping the digital spaces where billions of us spend our lives. And if those spaces are not safe, we all lose. So here's the question. Do you trust TikTok or any tech giant to let AI handle our safety? Or do you think humans should always stay in the loop? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this breakdown useful, please like to increase the reach of this video and subscribe for more tech stories shaping our digital world.